Welcome back to Friday's Fitness Tip. Today I want to talk to you guys about overhead pressing. One of the limiting factors when someone is doing an overhead press is the ability to get full extension to where you actually get your hand up above and lined up with your ear. Most people, they press out in front of them, they arch their low back, that's why they feel it there, and they can't get that full extension. One of the reasons for that is because they have really tight lats. So here's a great way for you guys to use a foam roller. We're gonna use it to relax that area to then get that greater range of motion. So all you're gonna do is take the foam roller, you're gonna lie on the side, on your lats. You'll probably notice if it's tight, because as soon as you put any sort of pressure there, you'll actually feel it. Once you feel that pressure, like feels like a knot, you wanna stay in that area, breathe in really deep, exhale really slow, stay in that area for about 5 to 15 seconds, and then look for other knots you may feel in the lats, and then stay in those areas for another 5 to 15 seconds. Work that out for a few minutes on both sides, then go right back to your shoulder press.